Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu dessert. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 6 large eggs, 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, and about 24 ladyfingers. Also, prepare 1 cup of strong, cooled espresso and 2 tablespoons of your favorite coffee liqueur. Having all ingredients at room temperature ensures a smooth, consistent mixture for our delicious dessert. Now, let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. Separate 3 egg yolks and whisk them with 100 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and thick. Next, gently fold in 500 grams of creamy mascarpone cheese until it's perfectly smooth. In a separate bowl, whip 3 egg whites to stiff peaks, then carefully fold them into the mascarpone mixture for a light, airy texture. With our cream ready, it's time to assemble. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled espresso and liqueur mixture, ensuring they don't get too soggy. Arrange a single layer of these soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Then, spread about half of the mascarpone cream evenly over this layer. Repeat the process, adding another layer of dipped ladyfingers and finishing with the remaining cream on top. Almost there, cover your assembled tiramisu tightly with plastic wrap. This crucial step allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set properly. Refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or even better, overnight. Just before serving, dust generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. Then, slice into generous portions and savor every delightful bite of your homemade, classic Italian tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.